artificial intelligence is revolutionizing digital marketing. AI is being used to automate tasks, personalize campaigns, and target ads more effectively than ever before.
We're looking at the future of digital marketing and how AI is changing the game. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing digital marketing by automating tasks, personalizing campaigns, and targeting ads more effectively. It also highlights the challenges and future possibilities of AI in marketing.
Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing digital marketing. AI is being used to automate tasks, personalize campaigns, and target ads more effectively than ever before.
That's right. By automating tasks like creating social media posts and managing email campaigns, AI frees up marketers to focus on more strategic activities, such as developing new marketing campaigns and creating high-quality content.
And let's not forget about personalized campaigns. AI can analyze user demographics, interests, and browsing behavior to create targeted ads and content that resonates with individual users. This personalization increases the chances of generating results.
Absolutely. Effective targeting is another significant benefit of using AI in digital marketing. By leveraging user data, businesses can identify the most likely prospects for their products or services, reaching their target audience more efficiently and generating more leads and sales.
However, it's important to note that there are challenges when implementing AI in marketing. It can be expensive to invest in and maintain AI technology. And businesses must also ensure they handle data privacy cautiously to protect user privacy.
That's true. Another challenge is the potential bias in AI algorithms. If the algorithms are trained on biased data, it can result in unfair and inequitable marketing campaigns. Businesses need to take steps to mitigate this bias.
Looking towards the future, AI will continue to evolve and have a major impact on digital marketing. As AI technology develops further, businesses will be able to automate even more tasks, personalize campaigns even more effectively, and target ads even more precisely.
And let's not forget about the exciting possibilities of new forms of marketing like virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, that AI is helping to develop. These immersive experiences can engage customers and promote products and services in innovative ways.
Absolutely. So businesses that embrace AI will be well positioned to succeed in the future of digital marketing.
A new Early Adopters Index examines how corporate America is deploying AI, how companies in the S&P 500 are adopting AI, and the potential impact it could have on business and society as a whole.
The interest in AI is widespread and growing fast, with many firms adopting the technology across various industries.
Many corporate bosses are keen to show how they are using AI to expand profit margins and gain market share.
For example, JP Morgan Chase has 600 machine learning engineers and has put artificial intelligence to work on more than 300 different internal applications.
And Eli Lilly, the pharmaceutical giant, has over 100 projects using artificial intelligence.
Even Howard Schultz, the former boss of Starbucks, planned to invest $1 billion in using artificial intelligence to create the perfect vegan breakfast sandwich.
The article goes on to rank companies using various metrics that capture their AI adoption activity.
The top spots are dominated by Silicon Valley tech firms, with NVIDIA being the highest scoring firm.
The report shows that interest in AI is not just limited to tech firms.
It's growing quickly in data-intensive industries such as insurers, financial services firms, and healthcare providers.
In industries that are already being disrupted by technology, such as car makers, telecoms, media, and retail, are adopting AI quickly too.
However, there are also clear leaders and laggards within industries too.
For example, there are some firms in AI-heavy industries such as insurers and healthcare firms that show no signs of focusing on AI.
One distinguishing factor may be investment. For the top 100 firms of our ranking, the median research and development expenditure as a share of revenue was 11%.
But for those in the lowest 100, it was 0. Additionally, there is a lot of variation within companies.
For example, some divisions of the same multinational may be advanced in using AI, while others have no experience working with AI.
Overall, the potential benefits of AI adoption could be vast, but it must be weighed against the potential risks, such as security concerns and the potential for models to make up information.
We're looking at the dichotomy between the widespread adoption of AI by companies, the hesitancy of others to embrace it, and the efforts being made to improve its diffusion across the economy.
Some companies are really jumping on the AI train. Tech firms and even traditional companies are investing heavily in AI technology. In fact, a drug discovered and designed by AI is already going through human trials in China. Can you believe that?
It's pretty amazing, and investors are taking notice too. The share prices of companies that are embracing AI have risen by 11% since the start of the year. But here's the thing, not all companies are on board yet.
That's right. According to our analysis, there are still 70 firms in the S&P 500 that show no interest in artificial intelligence. And it's not just the big players. Even smaller businesses are hesitant. A recent survey found that a third of small businesses have no plans to try generative AI tools in the upcoming year.
It seems like there's still a long way to go for AI to truly make its mark across the economy. But there are efforts being made to improve diffusion from the best firms to the rest. The OECD has proposed better education, increased business investment, and changes to competition policy as ways to achieve this.
And as technology firms make AI cheaper and easier to use, adoption is likely to speed up. Most companies will adopt AI by default as new AI-powered features are added to their existing software and services.
It's worth mentioning that replacing outdated systems can be costly and complicated for companies. Plus, there are industries heavily regulated by the government where bosses and trade unions may resist new technology out of fear of job losses.
So while AI has incredible potential, the road to widespread diffusion and a productivity boom will be a long one.
American banks dominate AI transformation race. How North American banks are leading the race in transforming banking into an AI-first industry. With larger banks investing in AI talent, research, patents, and partnerships, while smaller banks and credit unions risk falling behind.
So, according to this new report from banking data provider Evident, North American banks are leading the race to transform banking into an AI-first industry.
That's right. The report highlights that banks and smaller fintech competitors without a centralized AI innovation strategy are falling behind their larger bank competitors. The top banks are using AI to be more competitive in areas like high-frequency trading, payments, fraud detection, and marketing.
And it seems like these top banks are really investing in AI talent. The surveyed banks employ 650 AI researchers, with JP Morgan Chase alone hiring more than 40 in 2022.
Absolutely. And when it comes to AI research, patents, and investments, North American banks are leading the way. They published 80% of all bank AI research and made 60% of all bank AI-related investments in 2022. They also filed 99% of all AI-related bank patents in 2021.
It's interesting to see how AI research, patents, and partnerships can help a bank set itself apart with new products and processes. And some banks are even investing in AI startups to gain access to AI innovations.
That's true. But the report also highlights that smaller banks and credit unions are falling behind in AI development and deployment. As customer experiences become increasingly driven by AI, these smaller players could struggle to keep up.
Absolutely. And while European banks are better positioned in early-stage investments in AI companies, it's the North American banks, especially those in the US, that are really dominating the field.
It's clear that maintaining a wait-and-see approach to AI innovation is risky, as the pace at which the leaders are accelerating away from the rest of the field is significant.
Always get the latest AI dope. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks.